2025 GMC Vintage.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting vehicles in GMC's lineup for 2025, the GMC Vintage. This car blends classic design elements with modern-day innovation, and it's already making waves in the automotive world. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the 2025 GMC Vintage, from its stunning exterior and luxurious interior to its impressive performance capabilities and, of course, pricing. So, stick around and let's get started. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 GMC Vintage is a perfect example of how GMC is honoring its heritage while embracing the future. You can see the retro-inspired design cues in its bold grille, rectangular LED headlights, and sculpted lines that harken back to the classic GMC models of the 1960s. But don't be fooled by the vintage vibes. This car is packed with modern touches that make it stand out on today's roads. The full-width taillight design is futuristic and sleek, giving the rear an aggressive yet elegant look. Every angle of this car screams sophistication. The attention to detail is incredible. Take a look at these 20-inch alloy wheels, which come standard. They're designed to be both stylish and functional, ensuring a smooth ride. In the paint options, GMC really went all out this year, offering a palette that ranges from timeless metallics to bold matte finishes. My personal favorite is the new, vintage bronze, which really emphasizes the car's retro-modern appeal. Now, moving on to the interior, this is where the 2025 GMC Vintage really shines. The cabin is a masterpiece of comfort and technology. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by premium materials everywhere. Soft touch leather, real wood accents, and brushed aluminum give the interior a luxurious feel. The stitching on the seats is meticulous, and the seats themselves are both heated and ventilated, making every ride comfortable, no matter the weather. The dashboard features a massive 15-inch touchscreen that serves as the centerpiece of GMC's updated infotainment system. It's responsive, intuitive, and packed with features. You get seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even wireless charging pads for your devices. Below the screen, you'll find physical buttons for essential controls, something I'm glad GMC kept for ease of use. In the 12-inch digital driver display, it's fully customizable, showing everything from navigation to performance stats in crystal clear detail. For audiophiles, the 2025 GMC Vintage doesn't disappoint. It comes with a premium Bose sound system that fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlist or catching up on a podcast, the sound quality is top-notch. There's also ambient lighting that can be adjusted to suit your mood, adding a touch of personalization to the driving experience. Storage is another strong point for the GMC Vintage. There's plenty of space for your belongings, with a roomy center console, door pockets, and a generous trunk. The rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom, making this car a great choice for families or anyone who frequently travels with passengers. The rear seats can also be folded down to expand the cargo area, adding to the car's practicality. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 GMC Vintage comes with two powertrain options. The base model features a 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. For those looking for more power, there's an optional 3.6-liter V6 engine with 375 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. This engine comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission and offers an exhilarating driving experience. Behind the wheel, the GMC Vintage feels incredibly balanced. The steering is precise, and the suspension absorbs bumps with ease, giving you a comfortable ride even on rough roads. Thanks to its all-wheel drive system, the car handles corners confidently and performs well in various weather conditions. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling mountain roads, the Vintage adapts beautifully. Despite its power, the 2025 GMC Vintage is surprisingly efficient. The 2.7-liter engine offers an estimated 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 on the highway, while the V6 option gives you around 20 mpg in the city and 27 on the highway. These figures make it a competitive choice for those looking for both performance and efficiency. GMC has also packed the Vintage with advanced safety features. Standard equipment includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. There's also an available 360-degree camera system that makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. GMC's Pro Safety Plus package is an optional upgrade, adding features like rear cross-traffic alert and enhanced adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. Alright, let's wrap things up with pricing. The 2025 GMC Vintage starts at $39,995 for the base model with the 2.7-liter engine. If you want the V6 engine and a few more premium features, you're looking at around $47,995. Fully loaded, the Vintage can go up to $55,000, which is competitive when you consider everything it offers: style, performance, and technology. So, is the 2025 GMC Vintage worth it? Absolutely. It's a car that successfully bridges the gap between nostalgia and modernity, delivering a driving experience that's both thrilling and practical. Whether you're a fan of classic designs or cutting-edge technology, the GMC Vintage has something for everyone. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this car for a spin? If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.